Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Investments in Jamaica's tourism sector continue to pour in, with ground broken on big and brand new hotel in Trelawney. But even as that ground is broken, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is reiterating the government's stance that these new tourism investments must bring added benefits to the country. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
$250 million investment, equivalent to 34 billion Jamaican dollars in Coral Spring, Trelawney, from Spanish chain hotel H10. It's the biggest investment in tourism in the last 5 years. At the groundbreaking ceremony, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and senior Spanish embassy officials present. Construction is already underway for 1,000 new rooms. 500 are expected to be completed by year-end and will be called Ocean Coral Spring. Prime Minister Andrew Holness welcomes the development but had this message for investors.
Growth is all about value creation. So, yes, we could be making investments. Yes, we could be bringing in new capital. But the question is, what is the value that is being created in the local economy?
The issue has been ongoing for some time, but here's what the Prime Minister believes would ensure growth.
What contributes towards growth is when the farmer across the road can get his or her products into the hotel to be sold. What we want is for every single Jamaican to feel that they are included in the growth and development of this industry.
In the meantime, Victoria Garcia Ojeda, chargée d'affaires at the Spanish embassy, says Spain remains the largest investor in Jamaica, with tourism as a main beneficiary.
We are convinced that our hotel companies will continue contributing decisively to the development and economic growth of Jamaica.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Let's go now to currency trading. The US dollar is now selling for $136.33. The Canadian dollar is going for $103.47. The pound is trading for $177.42, while the euro now costs $154.96. Now, oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in March went down by $1.29 to settle at $52.60 a barrel. The JSE index lost 918 points today, while the junior market index is down by 18 points. Among the winners, 138 Student Living, SSL Venture Capital, Fosrich, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Fontana. On the losing side were Consolidated Bakeries, Blue Power Group, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial Services, and Sterling Investments. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.